Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special multi-tool to share with you, and this is going to be the Gerber 650 Evolution. And this has been discontinued for some time, but it's a very unique multi-tool. So first of all, let's go over what the tool set holds, and then let's describe its unique function. So first of all, we are going to have a two-sided file, and then we are going to have the can opener. We're going to have Gerber's small or medium screwdriver and their cap lifter, bottle cap lifter, and then their scissors, and then we do also have the micro small screwdriver on this side as well. Now, on the other side, the tool set is going to consist of the knife, and it is going to have the Phillips screwdriver, and this is the one that you can add a bit driver to, and then a bit adapter rather, and then you can use 1/4-inch bits. And so it really adds some functionality to the Gerber. And then we do have the adapter for the rim grit, and this is supposedly able to cut metal as well. It's sort of a do-it-all, and sometimes it does nothing. Essentially, some people, that's what they say. So you can always replace this with the older style jigsaw blade, which is still available on Amazon. Now, unfortunately, this multi-tool has, as I mentioned, been gone for some time. And I can understand why, but I still wish it was made, because the really neat part of this is that you can just replace the plier heads just like that. That's how simple and easy it is. And then it has the springs, and you're able to shut right there, but you don't have to worry about your hand getting squished in there as much because you are on purpose, you are applying the pressure yourself. So anyway, it does sort of help with that as well, I believe. But the most unique feature is the replaceable heads. Now, Gerber came out with several replaceable heads. I bought this tool. I was barely able to get it. Someone had a buy now option on eBay, and I got this for an amazing deal, but it did only come with one head. And you can get the fisherman's head, or I think they call it is it the machinist or mechanical head? It has the very long needle nose pliers. You can also get the blunt nose pliers. You can get a couple different ones as well. I think in total there's only about 5 different ones. But anyway, you can I've seen the big bag which holds the tool, then all the heads in it, and that would be amazing to find that sometime. But these are going for, I think, up to $300 to $400 if you had all the heads. So these are very valuable, very collectible right now, and very unique tool. Now, why is this still not made? Well, one of the biggest things is because, let's go ahead and compare it to something like the Ozark Trail, which Walmart makes. Now, this is as small as a multi-tool gets, unless you replace the head and carry that in a separate pocket. But as a multi-tool, it does not fold down into the handle. The handles don't, I mean, this is what you've got. So a lot of people did not like it because they were used to the Gerbers that went down to the handle and you could use them in a sheath and so forth. Now you can still carry this in a sheath, it's just the sheath has to be a lot bigger. So I think that's a huge complaint for a lot of people, that how large it is. It's essentially, why should I carry a multi-tool if it's not a ton smaller than the original tool that it replaced? Now obviously it has a bunch of tools in the handle, but it is going to be a lot longer than most normal multi-tools. Now, I think the other thing that definitely probably brought about its downfall is it seems like this is a little bit tricky design. So what you've got is you've got tabs here, I think it is right here, that sort of fit in here and keep the tool in place. But it is a looser design So it's ingenious, but it is definitely a looser design. And so as with some of Gerber's other products, it does have some wobble. So now mine may be damaged, I'm not sure. Again, you can't really buy these anymore. So, but it doesn't really inspire confidence. And on mine, I feel like one side of the plier head is actually almost coming out of the lock. So anyway, that is a little bit difficult. Now, some other ones, again, may be a lot more sturdier, but that's what I'm experiencing with this one. So I think those two things sort of shot down Gerber, this multi-tool. I would assume they had several warranty complaints because it is a little bit more finicky machinery, and that probably led to its downfall. But what a great design from a engineering prospect, even though it's not perfect. I'm not an engineer, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying the people who designed this, I feel like they still did an amazing job, even though it does have flaws. That's a problem with modularity, is you never get it perfect. So, but anyway, this is a really unique tool, and it's definitely something I'm pretty excited to add to my collection. If you ever see a Gerber and it has springs on the side and the head is extended like this and it can't go down the handle, you know you found yourself a gem. And no matter what it's called, definitely that's something to look for. You might get a steal like I did. I think I ended up buying this for $50. Just amazing. So, all right. We will see you in the next video. I've got a couple more for you to watch.